All right, this is my 2022 Nissan Altima. Now, this video is going to fit a couple of years, so do your research and see if your year matches the same year as mine. If not, the quality should be pretty close across the board on all your makes and models as long as you go with this company. Everything you're going to need to know about the install that we're going to do in today's video is going to be linked in the description below, and I'm going to keep this short and sweet for you to not waste a lot of your time, and we're going to get straight to the point. So this company reached out to me about reviewing their floor mats. So these are gonna be for the Altima. They're not a universal floor mat, so when you go to order them, you need to go on the website and make sure you put in your year, make, and model so you can get the exact floor mats that fit your needs. Now I've done cut open the box just to check them out, but I haven't actually installed them or took them out of plastic. Just wanted to see what was all there. So we're gonna pull them out and see what we got, and then we're gonna install them real quick and see how they fit. First off, they're definitely not like light and flimsy. They hold some shape. If we pull them out, we can see right out the gate that they hold their shape in the corners and everything. They're nice and firm. They're flexible, but they're not flimsy like a floor mat that you might find at your local parts store. Of course, they have their recesses in them, which will trap all your mud, water, dirt, anything like that, and grass, the whole 9 yards. And then if your vehicle is equipped with the factory push pins that clip it in, they're gonna have them too in place. They look like they're molded, and they look like they should fit good. I mean, these are definitely not cheap. They're literally screwed in metal. That's metal logo. So you're not paying for some 3D printed plastic junk. So that looks like that's gonna be one of the fronts, and then this is going to be the other front, so the same ordeal, and we'll figure out which side is which. But this also has the cutouts to trap in the mud, water, dirt, grass, debris, and stuff like that. And man, they look like they're molded great at first glance. Now it looks like you do get a little bag with the assemblies instructions in here, and it will go over anything that you need to know for your certain year, make, and model car. So make sure you browse through these because your car may be a touch different than mine. Looks like they give us a spare retaining piece, okay? So you have the front piece that goes in here like this, and then on the back, it's just a locking mechanism, and that's what this is. So if one of yours pops out or breaks or gets lost or anything like that, the company has already sent you with a spare, which is extremely nice. Throw that in your glove box and just forget about it. Flipping through the instructions, it looks like common sense. They're super easy to read. This is it. So this is not complicated. It's not like there's some big instructions that you got to put a bunch of junk together. So a lot of times they tell you to remove the old ones. If it is bent up, it does tell you to expose these to sunlight or use a hair dryer. That can accelerate them laying in perfect. So when we put these in today, if they don't sit 100% perfect, we need to just give them like 24, 48 hours for the heat and the sun to relax them. But I think they're going to fit good right out of the box. It's good. That's my first impression. For the rears, I really like this. So they're not two-piece, it's one piece. So it looks like it's gonna go up over the hump, which is gonna keep the your transmission tunnel, which is where like drive shafts and stuff go through. Most of the time, all cars have that tunnel, even if it's not a rear-wheel drive vehicle. But that is gonna go over that hump and protect your full carpet from kids climbing in and out, climbing over stuff. Because factory floor mats, it's like they just protect the little area where the feet are, but then the actual hump of the center of the car and the floor, it takes a beating a lot of times from people climbing and putting their feet on it. So this is gonna protect your investment, especially if you have a new car like this. So on a vehicle like this, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna remove the factory floor mats out of them. So this car is like brand new. It's in pretty good shape. That's the reason why I wanted to protect our investment. This car has 5,000 miles on it. So moving over to the driver's side, this is definitely the important side. Make sure you take the factory floor mats out. And we recently, when we bought this car, we just put this in there because again, like I said, this car, well now it's 6,000 miles, the wife's been driving it. It is a brand new freaking car. So we actually put a cheap floor mat over top of the factory floor mat to protect everything, but now we don't have to do that. All right, let's grab our rears, put them in. These things, I'm noticing, I'm just slipping them in, they are an extremely tight fit. So there is, I mean, just, it is absolute perfection going in. Wow. I mean, you have to push them down and work them down because they are such a, wow, such an accurate fit. Wow, my kids already dirtied up this car. God, that fit is freaking precise. So it looks like the one for this side might be this one. Let's see. Yep. Okay. And your factory snaps are back there. This needs to, it's gonna have to heat up a little bit before the snaps fit in. Yeah, we need to let these relax before the snaps fit in, but that fit's amazing. This one with the different like cutouts around the top, this is gonna be your driver's side. It's gonna fit around your pedals. Same thing, this one needs to relax for the snaps to clip in more than likely. So the fitment is flat out phenomenal. All right, so for a close-up view of the fit on this bad boy, look at this. Look at the detail to how everything is notched out. Now this will lay flat with a little bit of heat once the sun relaxes on it. Everything fits just absolutely phenomenal. The fitment around here, it matches the curve perfect. It lays flush against the carpet, even all the way up into the little details up there. Everything fits. The push buttons are in the right spot. Okay, they're there. It just, this needs to relax. You see how this has a little bit of push down? So everything, you know, with a little bit of heat, this should relax to where they snap in. But honestly, this company could have made these without the snaps because their fitment is so good that it's not gonna go nowhere at all. Now back here, the same thing. The fitment is absolutely phenomenal. So everything fits around all of this stuff perfect. Look at the attention to detail on the sliders. Look how tight of a fit that is on that slider, and look how tight of a fit that is on that slider. I mean, the fitment is just absolutely perfect, and it goes all the way up there. So you don't have to worry about, you know, somebody with long feet or big feet getting their feet off the mat. The fitment goes all the way to the center console, and even if we look right here, it goes up and over and around the transmission tunnel. Perfect. It fits along the edges right there, perfect, and it fits in the corners absolutely perfect. So you can't ask for better fitment than that, honestly. That side's the same way, just fits absolutely nice and tight and phenomenal. Driver side, same exact way. Fitment's just perfect, on point. The clips are dead on, but again, the mats need to relax, I think, just a little bit in the sun. It says in the instructions that they have to relax, so you got to give it a little bit of time. It fits perfect up and around your footrest right there, which is a very important part to protect. A lot of times when we buy and sell used cars through our dealership, this is the #1 area that gets a beating right there, because factory floor mats only go to here and they don't protect this vital part right here of the carpet. So you can have a brand new car and this area right here is just absolutely beat. So that's going to protect you. Also, floor mats go like this, and they don't protect this area under the pedal a lot of times, and that will take an absolute beating. This also goes up and protects all the sides of the transmission tunnel and the carpet, and you know, just protects absolutely everything. It's a good molded fit, but not overkill where it doesn't feel luxury and nice. So it feels really, really good. Literally just like that fast accidents can happen. Now, not only do these floor mats contain the fluid whenever you spill your drink or your water, but they're budget friendly, they're affordable, and the manufacturers of this kept that in mind whenever they made these. So make sure you go check out their website, and you'll probably want to pick you up a pair. Let's get this cleaned up. To get this cleaned up, it's as simple as picking up your mistake, picking up your floor mats. Because of the edges around them, how they have tall sides to them, I mean, these are good 3 to 4 inches. It's going to hold the fluid that's in there. That way it doesn't run all out. You can just pick these things up, take them right out. Bring them over to your water hose. Rinse them off. Right back in they go. Now, one thing you're going to notice while you're in your vehicle or you're down here is that these things have no rubber smell. So they don't stink and smell like rubber or vinyl or anything like that. They have no smell. They're basically neutral. So you don't have to worry about like some of the cheaper floor mats when they start baking in the sun and get really hot. They really stink like rubber. Not these. And what I would like to try to do real fast, which the company, again, in instructions says to get rid of the floor mats, I want to see if we can put our factory ones back over top, because I'm sure somebody in the comment section is going to be wondering, if you have a nice car like this with 6,000 miles on it, brand new car, and you really like your carpeted floor mats, can you put the carpeted floor mats back over top of it? This situation would be useful if this will work, because if you spill a drink okay, your carpet floor mats will come out. You can power wash them. We use Purple Power, scrub it with a brush, hang it up, power wash them, and they will be as good as new. We do this all the time. But the drink will then go around the factory OEM floor mat, and the new floor mats will hold the liquid and protect your carpet. That's what these floor mats are for, is to protect your carpet. But if you want the feel of the factory floor mats back in, let's see if they'll fit over top. So first up, let's grab the passenger front. Look at that, perfect. So this company did a really good job, you know, that their floor mats fit so freaking tight to the car and hug the car so tight that your factory ones will fit right over top of it. I know my wife really loves the carpet, but I love having the extra protection. This is how much the factory floor mat is, and so this gives us, you know, this much extra protection on all sides to protect this investment from being completely destroyed. Let's check the back. Yep, and the rears also will fit over top of these floor mats just fine. Looks like they lay down right between the tracks. Everything fits good. Same thing with this side. Lays down, fits right in there, so you can keep your factory floor mats. Let's do the front. Now the front driver one, this is the one that you need to pay attention to. This is the one that if you have too much junk in your floor, the accelerated pedal can get hung up on them, and it can be a safety issue. So when you do this at your own risk. The company did not design their floor mats to have doubles layered over it. We're just testing, real world testing, because we know people are going to do this. But make sure that the floor mat is safely seated down and doesn't hit the pedals in any way, shape, or form. Let's check it. So again, perfect. Plenty of room over the pedals, but this shows you exactly how much extra purchase in their mats will protect your car versus factory mats. So the factory mats, again, have no protection to all this carpet up there, and they have no protection underneath the gas pedal. They do this because manufacturers don't care about protecting your investment, they just care about lawsuits. And so they skimp on the floor mats and keep them very small so that hopefully there's not a chance of it getting caught underneath the accelerator. That's the reason why they also use the snaps, is so that they can't slide and move and go up and get caught on the accelerator, and then the manufacturer of the car catches a lawsuit. So that's what your snaps are for, if you've ever wondered and why they're put them there. Using this and doubling up mats over top, obviously you can't use your snaps. So again, just use this at your own discretion. We're not too rough on our cars, and we're not worried about that at all. All right, so after a quick install, how do I feel about these floor mats? They're floor mats. Floor mats are pretty hard to mess up when you take the time, you do the research and the development, you get it right, and that's exactly what this company does. If you buy cheap floor mats from the part stores, they don't take their time to do the research and development. They're universal mats. They're not designed to fit, and that's the reason why you have lost all faith in part store floor mats. These are custom ordered to your vehicle to fit precisely, and these are going to outperform anything that you're going to be able to buy local to you. Also, if you attempt to purchase floor mats local, that store you're buying from has marked them up. Just save yourself the money and go straight to the website, purchase them directly from the company so you don't have to pay somebody else markup. The link's going to be in the description. Everything you need to know is going to be in the description. I'm extremely thankful for them reaching out and sending us a set of the floor mats to try out on this car, because this is going to protect our investment for a long time. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, because we do a ton on the channel, and I think you're going to definitely want to stick around.